So here you can see this is a 12th biology NCERT based. This is the question bank of biology. This was the biohack that I used. These are the basic NCERT. This is brand new, but the first part you can see all the markings are there, important. So these are the resources all that they used for NEET, and also physics and chemistry are also there. But here I am deciding to launch a series that is not just like a coaching institute, but it is going to be a very frank, out of the box, that is out of NCERT, if we can simplify it through my understanding. As from my experience, although I am somewhere in a different profession, that is I'm currently doing engineering, but the biology was one of my favorite subject and I used to love reading biology. So this biology playlist of all the chapters covering the biology 1 and biology 2 based on NCERT, I'm going to make a playlist of all the chapter wise, so about 10, and here 22 chapters, so 32 chapters, 32 videos, 10 minutes each, 15 minutes each, or 10 minutes each. Total 32 videos would be there, and at last there would be PYQ of all 32 years. So from my experience, from my expertise on this subject, I'm going to prepare you, or I'm going to give my resource for preparing class 12 biology and also for other competitive examinations. I'm repeating that this course is not going to be like other courses which is need based, but this is just if you want to have out of the coaching, that is you are doing a coaching, all right, you can follow that. You are studying in an online course, okay, but along with that, if you want to watch short videos about 10 minutes for a recap or for a revision or for just like for revision purpose or for rewinding, like a short memo notes, then you can watch my playlist, which is going to be a very frank version of biology which I'm going to teach you. So I hope this is going to be successful and would be very beneficial for all the students who are really suffering from biology mentorship, or they do not get the basic friendliness in their coaching institutes or in their online courses or whatever. So if they want someone who can teach them or bring these concepts in a very friendly manner, then this biology course is, or playlist is going to be helpful for you. So I'm naming this as biology next. So stay tuned for this upcoming 32 videos, a course of 32 minutes, 10 minutes each video, and the complete biology of 11th and 12th, along with the PUKs of 32 years, plus all the hacks and shortcuts or techniques that I use to simplify and learn biology. So stay tuned, coming soon. BIONEXT only on your channel, Extman.